Last one, practice problem 9. The equation m equals 40g gives the distance in miles, m, that a car can travel using g gallons of gas. If a car had gone 140 miles, how much gas was used? Well, we know that m stands for miles. So if we're saying, okay, the car went 140 miles, we are simply going to replace the m in the equation with 140. And we're going to solve the equation for the gas. Excuse me, that is horrible. 40g. Okay, so all we need to do here is divide both sides by 40 to get the g all by itself, and that will tell us how much gas was used. You can reduce this. You can use your calculator. 140 divided by 40 equals 3.5. So how many gallons of gas? 3.5 gallons of gas. Okay. Now part B, this might be a little bit confusing, only not really. So this is saying write an equation that represents the inverse function, the gallons of gas, as a function of distance in miles. All this means, this inverse function, right now the equation is solved for m. M is all by itself on one side of the equal sign, and it says m equals. We simply want to get this inverse function, we want to rearrange the equation so that g is all by itself. And you may think it sounds really challenging, but it's not. So we're going to start off with the original equation, m equals 40g. The number of miles is 40 times the number of gallons. So if we want the g all by itself, then we simply need to get rid of the 40. Right now it's being multiplied, so the inverse of multiplication is division, so we simply divide both sides by 40. And now that I've gotten rid of the 40 by dividing both sides, now I have the g all by itself, and it equals m over 40. Okay. And if you look up here, in the problem, we were trying to figure out how much gas was used if the car went 140 miles. Well, we took the number of miles and we divided it by 40, which is this equation right here. So then I type that in. G is equal to, our little fraction button, m divided by 40. Okay, there you go.